afternoon everyone, and welcome to this year's cocktail session. Today I'm happy to invite you to our first cocktail session of this year. Cocktail, as you know, is a mixed drink that is prepared by blending of two or more non-alcoholic beverages as well as along with some non-alcoholic beverages such as juices or syrups, etc. Today we will be preparing some of the classic as well as contemporary cocktails. We are going to start with an aperitif. The name of the aperitif is Capiroska. It's a Russian cocktail, and for this we need a medium-sized glass and we need some chunks of lemon. Here I am going to add 2 chunks of lime or lemon, and also I need some amount of salt. Remember, this has 2 versions. One is prepared with sugar or brown sugar, another one is simply prepared with salt. And there are various type of aperitifs are there. Certain cocktails are aperitifs, certain aromatized wines are aperitifs, certain fortified wines are aperitifs. So this is an aperitif cocktail. This is a muddler, M-U-D-D-L-E-R, muddler. This is used to muddle the ingredients inside the glass or cocktail shaker, etc. So I am going to muddle this with the help of this muddler. Remember, you have to gently muddle them inside the glass. Do not put too much force, otherwise there is a chance the glass may break down. Also, if you squeeze the lemon too much, what will happen? It will come out very bitter. Simply just use the muddle to crush them. Fill the glass with ice cubes. Half fill the glass with ice cubes. For this, the alcoholic beverage what we are going to need is a vodka. We need about 30 to 45 ml of vodka. We can add up to 60 ml also. This is a jigger or peg measure. Jigger, J-I-G-G-E-R, jigger, which is used to measure the alcohol volume measurement, to take the measurement of alcoholic beverages. This portion contains 60 ml and capacity of this portion is 30 ml. So I am using here 45 ml. And 15, 45. With the help of a bar spoon, stir it. Inside a cocktail shaker, so you have to stir it. You have to stir it inside the glass with the help of either a swizzle stick or a bar spoon. Once it is perfectly blended, fill the glass completely with more ice cubes. Garnish it with lemon and a small sprig of mint. This is an aperitif, Capiroska. The next cocktail what we are going to prepare is again a very popular cocktail. The name of the cocktail is Mojito. Now it's a very common as well as a very famous cocktail, but it has many versions. Today we are going to prepare the contemporary method. The contemporary method needs sugar syrup and soda. So for that we need a tumbler glass. We need 30 ml of Gomes syrup, G-O-M-M-E-S, Gomes syrup. Gomes syrup is nothing but the simple sugar, white sugar syrup. Ml of white Gomes sugar syrup, and also we need 30 ml of lime juice. This is the contemporary method what we are preparing, the modern method. We need 60 ml of white rum. Stir it nicely. Take some fresh mint leaves, hold it in your palm and just gently tap it so that the flavors will come out. Fill the glass with brown rice or ice cubes. Top it with club soda. Garnish it with the lemon slice and mint leaves. This is Mojito. They look same, but both are different. This is an appetizer, this is a cooler. Now we will be preparing the classic Mojito. We need again a tumbler. We need 30 ml of lime juice and again 45 ml of rum. White rum. And crushed ice or ice cubes. More with ice, and finally we have to top it with sugarcane juice. Here no soda, no aerated beverages,